Hey boss, the V4, the electronics shown down here on the table means this Arduino Uno, USB cable, jumper wires, and of course this module as you see here, which is MPU 6050. We're going to learn how to interface Arduino with this module, which is MPU 6050 3-axis gyroscope. It's a gyroscope and accelerometer in one module. The sensor is widely used in robotics, drone, self-balancing robots, and the motion tracking system. Briefly, what is MPU 6050 module? So as you see down there, this is the module itself, and it is a 3-axis accelerometer which measures acceleration, and then a 3-axis gyroscope which measures angular rotation, and it communicates with Arduino via I2C protocol, making it easy to use with only 2 data wires. Means we will need only 4 wires to enable communication between Arduino and this module. And then the pin out of it, as you see there, you have a VCC and the ground that support 5 volts, and then you have SCL, which is serial clock, and then SDA, which is serial data, and the interrupt pin down there, which is option. So those are the pins that you are going to be using in this video. And as you can see on that schematic diagram share, we are going to connect SCL to Arduino analog A4 and then SCL to analog pin A5 of Arduino. So let me pause the video and I will be back with the circuit connected. Okay guys, you see that I have the module connected, then I have VCC via red wire connected to Arduino 5 volts, and then ground via brown wire is connected to the GND of Arduino, and then you see that the SCL via that brown wire is connected to A5, and then SDA via that orange wire is connected to A4. So the connection is already set. I think you can move on to the Arduino IDE. Okay guys, now you see that I have my Arduino IDE 2.3.6 open. So we'll go to sketch. To simplify the communication, we're going to install the MPU 6050 library. So I'm going to sketch, then include the library. Then we will go to manage library and then install the library. So I'm going in search, then copy or paste there the MPU. Let's go ahead and then install Adafruit MPU 6050 caused by Adafruit, and then there you see that the library is done installed. As we are done installing the library, so come to examples, file, then examples, and then search for Adafruit MPU 6050, and then you go to basic readings, open the sketch for basic readings. Here are the codes. So after opening the codes, of course you choose the port and then the board. Because we've been using this Arduino for a long time, it is already registered in the Arduino IDE, and this code is for basic demo of accelerometer readings from, of course, this MPU 6050. So you hit upload, you upload the code, and once the code is done uploading, you go down and open the serial monitor. Let me try to expand my serial monitor to read the data well, and if I scroll down, you can see that I'm able to read the acceleration on X, Y, and Z axis, both in millimeter per second square. And you see that as I have the module in one position, I'm still having the same data on X, Y, and Z axis. Let me scroll down to see the latest readings, and you see if I move the sensor, you see that the acceleration on X axis, Y axis, and Z axis changes. And then rotation on X, Y, and Z axis also changes, and their value are in rads. Guys, if you do the same and then the module is well wired, you will be able to read the acceleration, rotation, then you can use the obtained data to do what you want. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please give it by subscribing on this channel, hit a like, and share this video to your neighbor who you think need it. Ciao, bye, we love you.